How to manage rules in FreshBooks. Want to automate your expense tracking? Here's how to manage rules in FreshBooks step by step. So start by connecting your bank or credit card. This lets FreshBooks import transactions manually. You can do that by heading over into the bank connections tab, and then from here, go ahead and select the credit card or a bank or debit card that you want to connect. And then go ahead and head over into the expenses tab. So from here, go ahead and click on bank transactions and select vendor, choose category. Pick a transaction, assign the right category like travel, meals, or office supplies, and FreshBooks will suggest creating a rule. So click apply rule, and now every future transaction from that vendor will be recognized automatically. You can edit rules anytime to change categories or delete them if they no longer apply. Check your expense report or profit and loss to confirm rules are applied correctly. Adjust if needed for tax compliance. Managing rules in FreshBooks saves time, ensures accuracy, and keeps your books consistent. Just review them regularly to avoid misclassification.